So as you guys know, it's gonna snow in the area where I live, which is super duper rare.
Wow.
And you guys have been begging me to make a vlog about it. And I know what y'all are gonna say. What, you're just gonna make a video about snow? That's gonna be super boring. And you're right. What? And that's why I'm gonna make a list of things for us to do. Okay, so our 3 goals are gonna be to build a snowman and have a snowball fight and make snow angels. Yeah, that's what people do in snow, right? Okay, so it's like 10 p.m. I'm out here with my dog. It's like 20 degrees. I don't know why this crazy fella wanted to come out. It hasn't started snowing yet, but my weather app says that it should start like in a few minutes. So far, the only thing that has happened is this. The wood has ice on it. Can't really do anything with it though. So my weather app says that it's gonna be snowing all night until 10-11 a.m. So when I wake up, should be full of snow out here. Hopefully the power goes out. I mean, doesn't go out. So I got bored and made this little ball with the ice from the wood. Surprised it isn't melting. Super duper dirty though. Wow, it's starting to sleet. Yeah, it's sleet, not rain. They're little ice balls. They're very solid for real. Ugh, they're so super duper cold. Ugh, it went through my jacket. Oh my gosh. Ugh, wow. That's crazy. I guess now I'm gonna just leave my little ice ball thingy out here in this chair and see if it's still here by next morning. So bye bye ball. Wow, this is a lot more snow than I expected. There's still not that much though, but wow. It is a lot colder than it was yesterday. Okay, so there's one more thing we need to go see. Hey, Matt. The little ice ball is still there. No way, it hasn't melted yet. Wow. Wow, it's stuck to the chair. It's crazy. So I took some snow and decided to make this guy even better. He's a snowball. So now that we're done looking at the snow, let's start building the snowman.
It's hard to make this. Yeah, I know.
Look, it's so cold.
Maybe you should have looked up snowman building techniques.
Hey, my snowman looks good. This is not going well.
Look, the ball that I made over there is already biggish. Look, grab that one.
Okay guys, so my last phone ran out of storage because it's stupid and useless. So now we're recording on another phone. And I managed to make this, but I don't think it's enough yet. Come on, how do people roll snowballs up? It's not like in the movies. No, it's breaking apart. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's so cold. It went into my glove. Oh my gosh. Oh no. I broke his bottom.
No, it's good.
Maybe it could be a little smaller. His bottom was a little too big. Okay.
There you go.
And now for the head. Woohoo! I made a snowman.
What are you gonna use for nose and?
And we'll just use a bunch of random sticks. Okay, so it snowed a lot more. You can barely see the grass now. It's insane. My snowman's still here. I need to find some arms and a nose and eyes for him. And maybe a little mouth. I found this big old branch. Maybe if I break it into little pieces, I could, use it for his limbs and nose. So this is what I have made so far. I just have his arms, nose, and stick, and his arms and his nose. As you can see, I tried drawing the mouth and eyes, but I don't think that's gonna be enough. All right, now I got the eyes for the little guy. At first we tried blueberries, but they kept falling off. So instead we just put buttons on them. There he is now. And that leads us to our second goal, which is to have the most epic snowball fight ever. Except, well, there's not really anyone I can fight with. On second thought, there is someone I can fight with. No, I don't have the heart to do it. He's just an innocent little dot. Well, that didn't really work out. And that leaves us to the final part of this video, making snow angels. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go out here with our dog. And I guess I'm gonna make some snow angels, because like, why not? Alright. Let me just put my phone down somewhere. Excuse me.
No le gustó.
No.
Look, I'm cold.
Oh, sorry. Alright. Oh, I got snow in my eye. Okay.
Go.
Alright. I've never done this before in my life. The boy, what are you doing? You ruined my snow angel.
No, he didn't.
You didn't? Okay,
No.
good. Oh, I have snow entering my long sleeve. Snow and mud angel. Wow. Yeah. Oh. So me and my parents made a bigger and better snowman than this little guy right here. But we don't have any more eyes, so I'm gonna have to take his.
Eyes for you.
No, I'm just kidding. I would never take someone's eyes like that. Here, have some new eyes. It might hurt a little. There we go. Yeah, that looks really good. Okay. Okay, this is the moment you've all been waiting about 15 seconds for. the bigger and better snowman. No offense, Mr. Little guy, but this guy is just bigger and better. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention that we used a little ball that I made yesterday to become a part of Mr. Bigger and Better.
I think this is what you should.
His nose fell off.
Maybe this one?
Okay. Now put the nose. You have a super small head and super small arm, but that's fine. You're perfect just the way you are. And now Mr. Bigger and Better has some buttons. He's cool like that.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the snow's already melting. And Mr. Bigger and Better died. Wow, that's kind of sad. So, wow. R.I.P. Mr. Bigger and Better. Before we end the video, let's say hello to Mr. Little Guy one last time before he has a slow and painful death.